Hey guys, what's going on? Troy and Mountain Man Treasure here. It's time for a quick thrift trip. We'll see. What's it going? Why do we look in the media? This is why we look in the media and look up stuff that you've not seen before. 99 cents for this guy. And there's a new one, new sealed, sold a couple months ago for $49.99. This is an easy $20, if not more. Good find. I want you to show me. A little sparse today. How about this thing? Somebody made a messenger bag out of Chips Ahoy bags. It's got to be homemade, right? I'm not going to pick it up, but it's cool. Huh. This thing. $5. A little scuffed up. Unfortunately. It's cool though. Might be worth it, even with the scuffs. So I'm not gonna pick this up, guys, just because of the price. $4.99. But these, I think you've seen me pick them up before. These plug and play things, if you can get them like at a garage sale or something for real cheap, they're almost sure sellers. And they almost always, I've not had one that doesn't work yet. They always work. So keep an eye out for these. This is probably a $10 or $12 plus shipping deal. But at $5, I kind of don't want to mess with it. But plug and plays can be good. Pulse rate jumper. New in package. Probably do that. I bet this is 20 bucks or so. I mean, $5 more than I want, but probably worth 20 bucks. Hold on, look at this, guys. The old version of this game, you can't sell anymore. They're actually illegal. I've got some. But those are round tipped. I don't think this is new. The box is definitely beat up. It looks like they might have been used. Still probably worth the pickup. Sure how much they're asking for it though. Nope. $3.99. Okay, so no home runs in there, but a couple of really solid finds. Let's get home. We'll go over it. So we're home, guys. Let's go over the stuff that we picked up. First, these Godzilla VHS. Now, these originally part of, I think it was a 5 tape set. So we only have 3 of them. That's not great. Really, the best one is here, this Godzilla 1985. These two, but I'm a sucker for Godzilla stuff. So instead of just getting the one, I thought, you know what, I'm going to get all 3, and we're going to put them together. I think I could get about $7 out of that one. So if I put the 2 together, you know, I'm going to shoot for like a $9.99 plus shipping kind of deal on that. So not a huge return at 99 cents a piece, but you know, I just like the old Godzilla stuff, so I couldn't help myself. I picked it up. Now, this is the good one here. This is my neighbor Totoro. It's, you know, it's an anime thing. It's the old clamshell, and it looked a little different. So I picked it up and looked it up. I had a feeling about it, and like I said in the store, sure enough, if I price this right about 15, 20 bucks, it's going to move right away. There are some sold pre-owned that went for 25. One went for about 30. So I might price it a little bit high and let it sit and wait. I got no problem doing that, so might as well do it. So I think we might park this thing at about 25, 30 bucks and see what happens. We paid $28 for, well, actually, I got an ice cream, so we paid $27 for everything. This is going to pay for most of it right here. Don't forget, don't look past the VHS tapes. They can be good. This thing, what this is it's for aftermarket stereos. When you get an aftermarket stereo, it connects your steering wheel controls, the side buttons, to your aftermarket stereo. This appears to be new, just in a damaged open box. So this is about $20 or $25 here. So that's not bad. You know, $5. The price isn't great, but we're gonna make money. The sell-through on this really, really good. This one I just took a flyer on. There's nothing listed right now, but it's you know, it's a little bit damaged, but it's new. So it's made by Champion. This is a pulse rate. There it is, a pulse rate jump rope. So it counts the number of rotations, your pulse rate, calories burned, all that. Right around January, stuff like this is going to start flying. So if this doesn't go for a Christmas gift, it's gonna go in January. I'm pretty confident. So I think this is probably a good 20 bucks plus shipping here. Now this, I said in the store, remember the old Jarts game is now, it's illegal to sell. The one with the just the metal tips on the end. We had some when I was a kid. I still remember that. I think I've got a set. But this is the round tip. You can sell this. Now the box is trashed. I've got to figure out if this is new or used. I'm not sure, and in a way, I don't know if it matters. I think that's probably a $20 or $30 game right there. So again, you know, you can sense the theme. You know, 20 or 25, 20 or 25, 20. You know, maybe 25. That's okay. That's the bread and butter stuff. United States Marine Corps, the Devil Dog. Now, this has some scuffs on the clock. It's hard to see. I'm going to have to get it in the right light when I take pictures of it that people can see there. You can see one right there. There are some scuffs on the face here, but it's such a cool clock. It's a vintage made in the USA piece. This is going to be good for somebody's garage. So I got to get a new battery, put a battery in it, and hope that the clockworks still go. And we'll see what that's worth. I don't know. I'm going to guess about 25 or 30 bucks for this guy. And now this, I really don't know. This is a vintage piece. It's actually got a made in India stamp on the back. But it just has a cool vintage look. There's some scuffs on it. But it's one of those, to me, where the scuffs actually make it better. They give it a little bit of character. This is like a hanging. So it's got 2 deals here that you can hang it up off of your, you know, off your porch or patio or whatever. I don't know. I really thought it was a cool look. So picked it up. What's it worth? I have no idea. I'm going to have to take my best guess. What do you say about 25 bucks? I mean, that's the theme, right? It's pretty heavy duty. I like it. So picked it up. So no home runs, but some cool bread and butter. meat and potatoes type of stuff. And that's what keeps your store running. So that was an okay trip. We're going to make good money on that, and I'm happy with it. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Unfortunately, garage sale season is done. So hopefully we can find an estate sale here or there. I'll keep taking you into the thrift stores, so show you what I find. We'll have how-to videos, stuff like that. If there's something you want to see, let me know, because I got extra time now to put it together. I appreciate you riding along. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.